Welcome to Guangdong iFlowpower Technology Company. We are dedicated to providing EV charger for global customers. We strive to gather feedback from every customer to provide ideas for continuous improvement and innovation in our products. We have a team of 25 engineers, and our chief engineer is one of the pioneers in developing EV chargers in China. We value the quality of each wire because it is a critical component inside the electric vehicle charger. We make sure each wire meets strict quality standards. We are dedicated to precise assembly process to ensure every charger is perfect. We conduct rigorous product testing to ensure that customers can use them without cumbersome setup and enjoy a convenient charging experience immediately. iFlowpower neatly organizes internal wires to ensure provides users with safer and more reliable charging solutions.